Hi students, in this video lesson I am going to teach you about de Broglie equation. Here Louis de Broglie in the year 1924 light will exhibits two natures, that means dual nature of matter. Dual means two natures of matter having a dual nature. In 1924, Louis de Broglie suggests that light exhibits wave and particle nature of all microscopic particles, that is electrons, protons, ions and molecules having a, these all are having a dual nature of matter. All material particles in motion, that means moving, all material particles moving possess wave character, that means wave character. Here these are particles, these are electrons, ions, anyone. Here the matter, this is the matter. Each matter having, matter is electrons or protons or ions or molecule, anyone having particle nature and wave nature. Each particle having frequency, and according to de Broglie, the wavelength associated with a particle of mass m moving with velocity mu, the relation is lambda equal to h by p. De Broglie equation is lambda equal to h by p. Why lambda equal to h by p? Here de Broglie says particle having a wavelength will associated with a mass, So the wavelength associated with a particle of mass and velocity. Here mass and velocity is associated with wavelength. So the relation is lambda equal to h by p. Here p is the momentum. Here momentum is the product of mass and velocity is called as momentum. So we substitute momentum, mass, the product of mass and velocity is p h by m mu. Here we already know m and mu, the product of mass and velocity is called as momentum. This is the relation between wavelength and momentum. That means lambda is the wavelength of light and m and mu are this particle of mass and velocity. These always associated to wavelengths and mass and velocity. This can be derived. What is derived? Lambda is associated with mass and velocity. First, this can be derived. Two equations are taken, that is Planck's equation and Einstein mass energy relationship. Here this can be derived as follows. According to Planck's equation is E equal to h mu. Here mu bar equal to reciprocal of wavelength, that is c by lambda. Here h and h cancel, so E equal to c by lambda. And hc by lambda. And Einstein mass energy relationship is E equal to mc square. Here E equal to hc by lambda and Einstein mass energy relationship is mc square. Here hc by lambda that is E equal to hc by lambda and mc square. Here left side c and right side c. Right side one c is cancelled, so h by lambda equal to mc. So this lambda can be shifted to right side and mc can be shifted to left side. Here lambda equal to h by mc. This is derived from two relations, that is the Planck's quantum radiation and the another one is the Einstein's mass energy relationship. These two equation gives de Broglie's equation. This is the de Broglie equation, that is lambda equal to h by p. And significance of de Broglie equation. In de Broglie equation, this relationship, that is lambda is equal to h by mu. This can signify only applied moving objects. That means each moving objects having mass and velocity, but not stationary orbits. So stationary orbits means its velocity is 0, so it does not applied on stationary objects. And the second one is de Broglie relationship cannot applied daily life objects because they are macroscopic. That means very small particles are called as macroscopic particles, so they do not applied daily life objects. Thank you, students.